Hello, in this video I will show you how to take macro photos on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So to take macro photos on iPhone 15 Pro Max, you have to start with opening your camera application, and now you have to decide if you want to allow your camera to use your localization or not. And if you want to take pictures in macro mode, you have to take your iPhone and put it close to an object, and as you can see, your iPhone will automatically turn on macro mode. If you can see this flower icon right here in the bottom left corner, this means that your camera is in macro mode, so you can take your pictures now just as you take your regular photos. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.